Children, today we shall start with question number 4 on the topic understanding quadrilaterals of the given exercise. The question is, draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. See, it is a quadrilateral, okay? But it is not a parallelogram, or it has two opposite angles of equal measure. So let us make that quadrilateral. Okay, so what is the name of this quadrilateral? This is called kite. Okay, let us name it A, B, C, D. Right. Now in this quadrilateral, what we observe that this quadrilateral has exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Two pairs of equal consecutive sides means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Okay. Now see, if AD is equal to AB, okay, then this angle is equal to this angle. Isosceles triangle property. Again, now you take this triangle CBD. Here CB is equal to CD. Then this angle is equal to this angle. Again, isosceles triangle property. So what do you observe? That this angle is equal to this angle, right? So this is according to the question. Exactly two opposite angles equal means these are two opposite angles which are equal. But see here, these angles are not equal. These angles are not equal, right? Only these pairs are equal. Why these two angles are not equal? Because suppose you take like this, okay, then this side is not equal to this side, so this angle will not be equal to this angle. Again, if you hide this side of the triangle and you consider this triangle, this side is not equal to this side, so this angle will not be equal to this angle. So in general, this angle is not equal to this angle, so you have only these opposite angles equal. So your answer is kite is the quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. Why it is not a parallelogram? Because opposite sides are not equal, but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. That is, angle D is equal to angle B. All right. Now coming to question number 5. The measures of two adjacent angles of the parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. See, whenever the ratio is given, you assume let the common ratio be x. Let the common ratio be x. Then the two adjacent angles become 3x and 2x. Then the two adjacent angles 3x comma 2x. Okay, and we know that the sum of the measures of the adjacent angles in the parallelogram are what? 180 degree. That is, adjacent angles of the parallelogram are supplementary. Since adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary, so 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Now 3x plus 2x is what? 5x is equal to 180 degree. So what is x? X is equal to 180 upon 5. Solve it. 5 3s are 15, 3 remainder, 5 6 are 30. Okay. So 2x is what? 2 into 36. So 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 72 degree. Okay. And 3x is equal to 3 into 36, that is 108, 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 3 are 9 and 1, 10, 108 degree. So two adjacent angles are angles are 72 degree and 108 degree. Is this clear? Now coming to question number 6. This is question number 6. The two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Now it is given that the adjacent angles of the parallelogram have equal measure. We don't know the measure, so we will assume let the equal measures of adjacent angles of the parallelogram are x each. Okay, and we know that since adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary, so x plus x is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, अब this implies that x plus x मतलब 2x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to what? 180 upon 2. This is equal to 90 degree. So therefore the equal measures of adjacent angles of the parallelogram are 90 degree each. So both adjacent angles are 90 degree each. Is this clear? Now coming to question number 7. Question 7 is the adjacent figure HOPE. This is the figure HOPE. HOPE. ये E थोड़ा मिक्स हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ये E है. Is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures XYZ. XYZ. ठीक है. State the properties you use to find them. All right. Now, what is given to us? This is a parallelogram. Okay. In a parallelogram HOPE, ठीक है, this angle is 70 degree. Okay, let us mark this angle as angle 1, right? Angle 1 plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. All right. So angle 1 is equal to how much? 180 degree minus 70 degree. This is equal to 110 degree using linear pair. Okay. Now this angle 1 is equal to angle x. Also angle 1 is equal to angle x. Q. Opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. So angle x is how much? Angle x is 110, क्योंकि एंगल 1 हमने यहाँ पे 110 निकाला है, तो एंगल x भी 110 हो गया. ठीक है. नाउ फर्दर एंगल E प्लस एंगल H is equal to 180 degree. क्यों? Because adjacent angles of the parallelogram are supplementary. ठीक है. अब एंगल E क्या है? एंगल E x है और एंगल H क्या है? इट इज 40 डिग्री प्लस Z. दिस इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. अब हमने जो एंगल X निकाला है वो निकाला है हमने 110 डिग्री. आप फिगर में देखो एंगल X कितना है? 110 डिग्री. ठीक है. प्लस 40 डिग्री प्लस Z इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. अब 110 और 40 कितना हो गया? 150 डिग्री प्लस Z इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. तो Z कितना हुआ? ये इधर शिफ्ट हो गया. 180 डिग्री माइनस 150 डिग्री. दिस इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. ठीक है. अब देखो, आपको एंगल Z पता है 30 डिग्री और आपने एंगल 1 जो निकाला था वो निकाला था आपने 110 डिग्री. ओके. सो नाउ इन ट्रायंगल POH, आप ट्रायंगल POH देखो. एंगल Y प्लस एंगल Z प्लस एंगल 1, दिस इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. ठीक है. अब आपको निकालना है एंगल Y. राइट. एंगल Z आपने कैलकुलेट किया है 30 डिग्री और एंगल 1 आपने कैलकुलेट किया है 110 डिग्री. दिस इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. अब एंगल Y प्लस 110 प्लस 30 इज 140. दिस इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल Y इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस 140 डिग्री. ठीक है. सो Y इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 40, दैट इज 40 डिग्री. ये हमने क्या प्रॉपर्टी यूज करी है? एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है. सो वी कैलकुलेटेड एंगल X as 110 degree, angle Y as 40 degree and angle Z as 30 degree. Okay. So with this I close my class here. In the next class I shall start with question number 8.